Hi there. You can probably tell from my awesome hat that it's ride time. I got me here a Rad Expand 5, and this little feller's got a 672 watt-hour battery, and I'm gonna go see just how far I can go on a single charge. It's all charged up right now. I weigh about 220, probably have about 10 pounds of stuff with me, and let's see what we can do. So for this test, I'm gonna probably mainly use the pedal assist 2 and 3, but I'm gonna go in 1 on occasion and do a little tiny bit of 4 on occasion. Maybe do a little bit of throttle. My goal is just to make this like the most average test that I can do of just how you would normally ride the bike. I got a full battery, trip meter set back down to 0. It's at 0.1 now because I've been riding. We're just gonna take a long cruise. I'm just gonna go ride all over the place and give you some updates as I go. And then at the end of the video, we'll break it all down. So here we go. So just a brief stop here. I'm way out on the canals and they're all flowing. Oh, it went back up. When I was riding, I just lost 1 bar and I'm at 10.8 miles. So this thing's going for quite a while. We'll see if that 1 bar will go back down when I start riding. So I mean, if that's accurate, which I don't think it's super accurate, and there's 5 bars, means I'd be getting like 55 miles out of a charge. But we'll see. Yep, just saw the bar go back down. So it goes back up and down. So 10.9, first bar down. I'm gonna keep riding and then we'll see when the next bar goes down. If you want, leave your guess in the comments on when you think the next bar will go down. Or just if you think how many miles you think this thing will go total. We'll find out. So just another quick stop here. We just went past the second bar, went down 17.2. So the first one was like around 11. The second bar dropped out in like a little over 6 miles. So something to take note of. I'm not even halfway done. I'm at 17 miles. So we'll keep cruising and see what we can do. So I just dropped the 3rd bar. Oh, it just went back up. Kind of goes up sometimes when you're sitting still, but the 3rd bar just disappeared. It's kind of like right in between. About 23.4. This thing goes for days. Got this cool tunnel to go through. This thing's pretty sweet. This ride's taking a lot longer than I thought. But that's okay, because it's nice out today. Oh, tunnels. So let's just keep on moving. So now I just got the 4th bar to go away. I'm at 28.5 with 1 bar left. Still cruising along. Seems like each progressive bar gets a little less overall miles. So we'll keep going and see how far we get. So this definitely went from the last bar being solid to the last one blinking. So when you hit that last bar on this, there's not much left. So I'm in 4th pedal assist right now, and it's not giving a whole lot of juice. Going up a hill, barely getting 200 watts, but I'm at 30.2 miles, which is pretty darn good, if you ask me. So I've got a little ways to head back, and the motor's pretty much out, even though the screen is still on. But I would say for me, on a pretty normal ride, looking about 30 miles on a single charge, which is pretty good. So there's still a little bit of motor left, but I'm on pedal assist 4 right now. I'm in the lowest gear, so it's not doing much. So I can still, on the downhill, you can feel a tiny bit of motor going, but not much. As these batteries get lower, you can tell that the motor is just not as powerful. So all finished at the end of the ride, and you can see we got about 31.1 all the way back to where I am now. I would say for practical purposes, right around 30 is about where the motor cut off. And I was using mostly just past 2 and 3, a little bit of 4 on a couple occasions, a little bit of 1 on a couple occasions, but mostly 2 and 3. That's pretty impressive. That was a long ride. glad to be back. Anyway, hope you like this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you like more tests like this, you can subscribe to the channel. I'll also leave my Rad Expand 5 test playlist right up here, and you can check that out. It has all kinds of tests, and I keep adding to it every week. See you later.